All right, back in action on Williams 72 Mustang.
Which is bad ass.
Yes.
I can't tell you how much I love this car. I really can't. It's beautiful, at least to me.
Beautiful.
It's B-E-A-U-T-ful.
Okay. Scotty kind of knows how to spell. So.
Did I forget the D?
I don't know. You never forget the D.
This is true.
Anyway. Battery's out because when did we start it? We moved it, what, about a week ago?
Yeah.
We moved it from in here. We put it next door because we had to swap some other cars in. It fired up, worked fine. 0.4 volts. Stone dead. Brand new battery. So we're going to charge it. See what it's going to do here. See what we get. Oh. Wow. Charger's not even happy about it. So we're going to guess it is charging though because it's warm. So that's a plus. So we're going to let that charge. It's not a big deal. If it decides to not come back, it's definitely under warranty because it's been in there about maybe 6 weeks max. No big deal. Don't sweat it. Pulleys, everything for our AC. We'll do that. Secondary, first order of business today, Mr. Muskrat.
Yes, sir.
Is get it up and let's change the gear. And the speedo gear needs to be changed as well, which we have. You know, I fixed all that the other day. Oh, it's not pretty enough for you?
Well, I mean, it only takes a couple minutes to...
You can take care of Xander's. I already paid him.
Okay.
Yeah, I paid him Saturday morning. We went to the bank on the way to the racetrack.
Gotcha.
He drove the trailer.
Which I'm actually pretty impressed about, like legitimately.
He has a learner's permit. Well, guess what? You're learning special stuff.
Right? Well, I mean, the thing is, as long as he's got his permit, anybody can help teach him to drive.
Yeah.
Which it's kind of scary that you're helping to teach him to drive, but...
Siri was like, yeah, she's agreeing with you.
Yeah, she's agreeing with you.
She's like, mm-hmm. But yeah, so he's learning how to drive with a trailer. At 17, with a learner's permit. And if he can do that, he's going to pass the driving test, no problem. He better hurry up and get his license, though, because then he can drive all the way home.
Okay, we're good.
All right. Anyway, we got it kind of off topic. So battery's charging. It's doing its thing.
Why isn't it showing anything?
It is. It's right there.
Oh, so this one just kind of turns the display off.
Yeah. Because,
I've never used this one yet.
Yeah, you haven't played with that yet.
Well, I mean...
You play with lots of things, but that's another story. God, we got way off topic.
Yeah.
All right, so get this up. Oh, God. That goes right with... Never mind. Get this thing up, and let's start getting ready to get the diff out, sir. Sir!